Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and all the fathers who are acting as mothers. If this is your first time, I thank you so much for clicking on my video. I appreciate you so much you don't even know. And if you are a ride or die and you've been here since day one, oh my gosh, what can I say to you? Thank you. You are a team player. You are awesome. Keep treading with me. We're gonna make it, girl. I have joined this wonderful group of women called the Beauty Collab family. Beautiful, hardworking YouTubers, and every month, once a month, we're going to bring you videos. Whenever you see hashtag BCF, that's basically a collab video that we all are doing. The palette that we use in this Beauty Collab family is this Color Studio Beauty Glazed. Guys, this is the dupe to the James Charles palette. Of course, I didn't use only that. So far as we debut our Beauty Collab family palette, which is the Beauty Glazed palette, we're great, we're good. But we can also use whatever palettes we want to use to make the look come alive. So I use this Zodiac BH Cosmetic Zodiac palette. It's so beautiful. These are foiled colors that girl, let me just swatch one for you. What? Let's take this. Now look, child, did you see that? Let's look at this. Did you see the gold? Okay, now look, girl. I'm just saying, as soon as I saw this Zodiac palette, I was like, I am grabbing it. I want it. It is going home with me. I don't care how much it is, but it was just what, $24, $27. And one of us actually, I think, came up with this idea, which is wonderful, that we do our mother's favorite color. So my mom's favorite color is purple, lilacs, and gold. And so I did this look in honor of my mother. She is a beautiful, beautiful soul. If you know my mom, you know she is cute. I have a hot mama. Those who don't know. If you know my mom, you know she's like down to earth, the coolest mother ever. Like the first time I went to my clothes, my mama took me. I'm saying, let me not go there. But all I'm trying to say is I have the coolest mom in the world who has sacrificed so much for me to have an opportunity to come to the United States, to better myself and be who I am. And I thank God of all, because he made it possible. I thank God for putting me in my mother's womb. I am no way perfect, but God is gracious and grace abounds. I praise God for it. Guys, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out. Please subscribe to this channel and share the videos. If you've made it so far to this part of the video, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Not exactly sure what look I am going for today. This is the palette, guys. Beauty Glazed Pressed Powder Eyeshadow. Even though I'm going to be using this palette, there is a purple, this color. It's like deep fuchsia, a blend between fuchsia and lavender. I bought it from the beauty supply store, and so the color payoff is not great, but I have a feeling if I pack it, I can get it pretty good. And mind you, I have not set my concealer because I want the colors to really grasp. It almost appears pink in camera. I'm not sure why. I promise you it is not pink. So now I am going to go into this palette, and I think I'm going to choose this color here, this fuchsia pink, and I'm going to use that to diffuse the line a little bit. So this is supposedly the dupe for James Charles palette. Next, I'm going to take this purple color here just gonna use this primer, eyeshadow primer, and using my concealer brush, I'm gonna put some in it, like a little cut crease, halo cut crease here. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Check this out. This is the Zodiac by VH Cosmetics. I just cannot wait to dig into this palette. I'm gonna go with Cancer, even though I'm a Leo, and I'm just going to put that right here. Give me a little bit of a 3-dimension. Oh, wait a minute. This Sagittarius is like almost a dark bluish purple. Let's see what Sagittarius does on the side. Sagittarius, how'd you say it? So I found this Luvs shadow. See if I can let this purple look pop a little bit more. My husband came in here and he goes, "You look scary." I say yes, because I'm not done yet. Have you ever experienced getting your makeup done and you prematurely look in the mirror and you're like, "Oh my God, what is she doing?" Yeah, that's where I was when he came in here. He's like, "Whoa, you look scary." I think I'm gonna take this color from the Beauty Glaze. I would like my brow bone to pop, so gold glitter over that black, because I'm not sure what that black is doing for me anymore. What about if I put glitter all over this? Y'all know me and glitter, man. I go overboard because I love glitter. I love bling bling. I almost feel like I wanted to touch up like something gold on my brow. And I'm just putting that over the first highlight. Ooh, girl, yeah. Now, how about we put that same bronze in here? Like create a little dimension, 3D-ish effect. Going back into the Zodiac palette. I like this pink here, Scorpio. I'm gonna touch Scorpio and just put it in on top. Ooh. Playful, playful. Well, I heard about a smoked out eyeliner, so maybe I'm gonna try that smoked out eyeliner look also. Primer I'm trying today is this e.l.f. Luminous Matte Makeup Primer. It says create a fresh natural glow with this lightweight makeup primer. This makeup base primes the skin for long wear. It also moisturizes, brightens, and refines skin appearance. Silky formula leaves skin fresh and natural looking, enriched with acai and vitamin C and E. Prior to makeup application, massage a small amount onto skin. This is by e.l.f. I'm going to apply this Luminous Matte Makeup Primer all over my face. It actually smells good too. And then I'm going to wait a little bit and put some pore filling primer just on the side. NYX pore filler. I'm I'm gonna just apply that to where I have enlarged pores. And going in with this Pro Conceal and Color Orange concealer, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and just tap it to the spots that are black or has hyperpigmentation, and I'm just gonna work this in. The foundation I'm using today is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in color 390, and I think I'm a little darker than 390 right now because it's gotten hot lately. We're in spring, so I'm going to mix it up with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation in color 525. Shake your foundation, guys. Shake it well because it settles. And lately I've gotten into like mixing foundations together and just trying them out, you know. I'm just gonna beat this into my skin without disturbing whatever I have done down there. My color correction, my primer. I'll make sure not to disturb anything. I'm just pressing this into my skin. To conceal using Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm blending my under eye simultaneously, right here and then right here. I'm not waiting for anyone to dry. Other concealer I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 330. To put that just right here. I'm going to go into my under eye and make sure that take care of any creasing. So going in with a dry beauty blender and set. Interesting. I guess it gives it that dewy look, but you know, I'm all about being matte. So while that whole idea of setting under eye and melted it in with a wet beauty blender works, it's not for me. If I'm going for a dewy look, yes, I can do that, but I wanted to try it and my face is basically looking dewy, like unfinished, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go back and put just this Ben Eye right here. And then I'm gonna just buff it away. I'm not baking or anything. Now my nose today though is not doing it for me, to tell you the truth. My nose today is not coming together. I have found a way to let my lashes rest and get tacky, and I want to show you guys really quick what it is that I do. So let's say I have this brush, right? And I have applied my glue, waiting for it to get tacky. What I do is I take the brush and I take the lash and then I sit the lash in the brush like this. This way it has a chance to get tacky, because sometimes when I lay the lash down, I lose glue and then I have to apply glue again. When I do this, I have a chance to put my lash maybe in a brush holder and just let it stay there until it gets tacky. This way I can be doing something else while the lash is doing what it's doing. While I'm waiting for my lash to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight. Illusion of full lashes. I learned this from Savannah Silver, who learned this from Makeup Shaler. I hear this camera autofocusing and I pray it is not. That sound is not in my video, because I'm gonna be really mad. I just bought this lens and I thought I'd done my research enough, but I'm starting to feel like I'm gonna regret. This is in honor of my mom, and I just want to say, Mom, I thank you. I love you. God bless you. I can't wait to see you. I miss you. This hairstyle, I will be showing you how I did this hair very, very soon. I have had this hair for what, about a month? I love it. Everybody thinks it's my hair. Nope, it's crochet.